Hey friends, if your screen is upside down on your Windows laptop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, go to display, and there is an option called display orientation. I found a very weird thing here that you can click on landscape flipped and it will flip your system. Okay, I'll obviously revert this because I cannot even look at it. But this is a very weird thing, and earlier it had the option to even flip it sideways in 90-degree. I don't know why anyone would need that. I mean, it is not that it is trying to, what do we say, redevelop the orientation. I could obviously use the portrait orientation. That's a different thing. But okay, so the portrait orientation is the one which is going to push it sideways. Okay, so this is what's happening. I mean, if you have changed the orientation, then you have to make sure that the orientation is at landscape. Don't change it to anything else. Okay, and if in the rare cases this does not help, like this solution will help fix the problem in 99% of the cases, but if it does not, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open the device manager, expand the list for display drivers, right click on it, update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Right click, update drivers, search automatically for drivers. This will fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.